gonna show you how to ride the train of Singapore MRT. Let's go. Hey guys, G here. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Singapore MRT. So we are just coming from a hotel in Jalan Besar area, so we're going to use the Jalan Besar station, MRT station, which belongs to the blue line or the downtown line. If you're going to see something like this, what you're going to do is just tap your card and it should open and let you in. Just like this. Tap your card and get in. So over here, as you can see, there are two sides where there will be a train. So you might be confused on which one you're gonna hop on to. So let's zoom in, and as you can see, this one is coming from Jalan Besar, going to Bencoolen, then Fort Canning, and then Chinatown. And we're going to Chinatown, so we are going to hop on platform A. Let's check the other side. This one, let's zoom in, and as you can see, it's coming from Jalan Besar, going to Bendemeer, Geylang Bahru, and it will end at Expo. So the train is here, so let's get on the train. Please do let those exiting the train go off first, then you can slowly get on the train. As you can see, in the Singapore MRT, there's not a lot of seats available. So if you do get a seat and you see someone who's elderly or pregnant, please give your seat to them. Now, since we're on a train, let me explain what does this sign. What does this mean? So this is basically the stops of the train. Those lights which are turned on are the stops or train stations that the train haven't passed yet. So all those green ones are the future stops, and this one over here, which has a different light, means it is the current or the next stop. And over here, which does not have a light anymore, means that it already stopped on those train stations. And another thing, if you notice this one, the blinking green light over here is actually a sign where or which door will open, because there are doors on each side fronting each other, so you might be confused which one will open on the next stop. So basically, it signals on which door will open. But if you're away from the door and don't know what is the next stop, no worries, they will announce the next stop or the current stop, just like this.
Lavender. Please mind the platform gap.
And also, if you're worried that the door will suddenly close while you're entering the train, no worries, it will be also announced that the door is about to close, and it will announce the next stop.
Doors are closing. Next station, Bugis.
And over here is the great example on which door should open. You can see the door behind me open. So in this case, we're actually going to the harbor front, so we need to transfer to the purple line, the northeast line. We're just gonna follow the signs. As you can see, there's a purple line and just showing us which way to go. This is actually our first time and we haven't been here, so we're just following this sign. Wait a minute, kaping mainit. You can now send your super thanks here on my YouTube channel. Inactivate ko na yung super thanks, guys. Just click on the super thanks and send in your message or tanong mo or topic request. And we don't know, maybe sa susunod na video ko, dedicated sa iyong comment or super thanks ang gagawin ko. And select any of this amount and buy and send.
Daghang salamat in advance.
As you can see, there's another sign of the purple line or northeast line, and we're just following it. So in this case, we're just actually crossing on the other side, so going up and down and then down finally, and just following the sign to the purple line of the Singapore MRT. Now we're here at the purple line, and on this side is actually going to Harbourfront. Now let me explain. Now in Chinatown, and we're going to Harbourfront, so it will be the next 2 stops. So remember, we transfer from the blue line from Halan Bazaar, we stop at Chinatown, and then transfer to the purple line, and we're going now to the Harbourfront. So the train is here, and let's hop on again. And also on some trains, it's a bit modern, so the train station stops or the next stop will be displayed on the center on a sign like this. Sorry if it's blurry. Also the door sign on which side will open, on which door will open will look like this. Now we are at Harbourfront, and time to exit the MRT. Now we're gonna tap in again our cards, and to know which turnstile we are going to use is just notice this arrow. So this one has a green arrow, so let's use this one. Just tap your card and it automatically calculates your fare. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this video was able to help you understand much better the Singapore MRT. Let me know if you want me to discuss the whole Singapore MRT map and make some examples of your routes. Let me know on the comment section below if you want me to do that. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next video. Bye.